here's one of the tenders. We're shooting through the glass here, so you're going to get reflections. But it's out there. All right. Always wanted to see what the inside of one of those looks like. We're going in the tender here. All right. Here we go. It's kind of wheezy out here. A little slippery. So I gotta watch my step here. All right. Coming here. And here's our mighty craft here that we're going on. And we just grab a seat. Other side. All right, this is what it looks like inside. Pretty roomy. You can fit a lot of people here. All right, we're going down here to the lower level here, and take the old backpack off. And we're coming down here. We're getting down here. I guess they could fit a lot of people. We got a good shot at a driver up there. Okay, this is like in a military plane where you got these two of these here. All right, we're on here. Okay, here we go. This is the inside. Here you go, all kind of little rafts and stuff for extra people you pick up along the way while the ship is going down or something. And yeah, you got some high seats up there. Got all the low ones down here, and yeah, this is bigger than it looks from a distance. So, and we got a window here, so we can see what's going on outside here too. Water looks a little brown, but I think that's the tinting of the windows here. So, all right, on the tender here, leaving the ship, going on to Longyearbyen, and then we're going to get on the plane, fly back to Oslo here. So there it is. We get our other folks are on here. There's the inside. It's pretty good. The driver up there, all kind of gizmos up there with the driver. People still getting on board up there. So yeah, and you could fit a lot of people in here if you sit somewhere across and interlocking, you know, alternating knees and everything. Okay, we're underway here. We're moving out. Still got the door open there. And I guess we're going to keep the door open the whole time here. It's only a short ride. Ship news. I think the windows are tinted because the water looks brown, but probably so we don't get sunburned in here if we're out in the middle of the ocean for days on end. All right. Okay, we're getting near the shore here. Guys steering from looking outside and whatnot up there. All right. Getting a little close. You can see the World Traveler off in the distance over there. So. Okay, we docked here, brought us safely to shore. Now we're getting on the old buses up here. Yeah, take us to the airport. Okay, made it here off the boat. We're in the bus now. Going to be heading to the airport here for flying home here. So there's everybody else on the bus here. All right, up there. There's our landing craft out there. Okay, let's get moving here pretty soon. Well, I'm here in Longyearbyen Airport waiting for our flight to go home. And look what we got here. We got Mr. Polar Bear here. Yeah, he's going to come down. He's all furry. We're going to pet his head there and say, nice bear, nice bear. And look at those claws down there too. So yeah. All right. Say goodbye to the polar bear from Longyearbyen up in Svalbard. Okay, he's waving bye. He's waving bye. Bye. Okay. Well, there's our plane sitting outside. Looks like it's from a different company than the one we had last time. This looks like a later 737 because it's got the big engines that are almost touching the ground. So I don't think it's a Max 8, but we'll see when we get inside. Alright, but there it is. Little sun shining up there. I'm shooting this through glass, so maybe some reflections here, but okay. Okay, we're getting on the plane now. Here we go. Here's our trusty plane. We'll be boarding. Say goodbye to the airport here. Say goodbye to it.